Dear international students and education fraternity, Labour's first year in power, promises and pitfalls. So, as we see that UK government has completed 1 year, and as MPs in the UK prepare to pack up for summer recess, the higher education sector is left wondering what Labour's first year in office has really delivered for UK universities. So, first of all, we need to understand that this Labour government, it looks that it is as strict as Tories. But at the same time, we need to understand that ultimately, whatsoever UK government is doing, it is beneficial for UK. So, before the general election in July 2024, Bridget Phillipson, now Education Secretary, promised that stabilizing universities would be day one priority. A year on, the sector is still waiting for that promise to materialize. So it was the promise of Secretary for Education that she will be doing a wonderful job for education sector and for education universities in the UK. So this is the continuation of that now for September 2025, for home students, the fee will be, instead of £9,250, it will be 9,535. So which will be good for UK universities. Apart from there is more take, less give. So it means that in reality, though the UK government has already clawed back from universities more than it has pledged, but again, when we talk about teachers' pension scheme and other decisions, it looks that these are not good decisions, but ultimately again, it will be beneficial for UK. So then, storm clouds ahead. It means that whatsoever UK government, this Labour government is doing through immigration white paper, it might be a storm. But ultimately, it will be good for the economy of UK, and it will be very good for the overall as a country, because so many students, so many people, they are coming in the UK, which will be definitely not good at all for UK. So then cracks are showing. So despite 4 UK universities like Russell Group universities, top ranked universities, again we see that in the UK, this is the first time, while the rankings show the rising cost of studying in London were largely responsible for the UK capital losing the title it has held for the past 6 years. Recent immigration policies may also be having a negative influence on applicants' perceptions and experience of studying at UK universities. So ultimately what happened, that London has lost this position, rather South Korea has gone ahead instead of London. Even Tokyo is in better position. So there is another thing, that if the classes are class based, not research oriented, so then the fee will be only £5,760. So that is low fee. So but ultimately, nutshell, are the result of all talk is that whatsoever Labour government is doing, overall this is beneficial as a country for the UK. I hope it helps, and let's see in coming years how this Labour government will be behaving and what kind of massive changes will be bringing. Thank you very much.